Hey everyone, wanted to talk about the sales proposal memo that we submitted for our assignment, this past assignment, and I was actually pretty excited to see that this was a part of the curriculum because this is a big part of my role in the position where I work. And so, again, as I elaborated kind of in some of the previous discussions, I'm actually in sales for a solar energy company. So I really just wanted to kind of utilize the template that we had for our company and kind of dissect that a little bit further and kind of analyze it for these this course's curriculum and these next assignments that are pertaining to sales proposal, and specifically this one, the sales proposal memo. And so I went ahead and just added it to the next slide for you guys to take a look at. This is the literal format. So this was a proposal that I worked on out of our Austin, Texas office, which were field offices rather, both in Boulder, Colorado, as well as Austin. And this was for a project that was based in Houston. I fudged it a little bit just for the sake of the assignment to show that this point of contact was the CMO for IBM. At any rate, we really kind of, in short, try to pronounce our brand in this overview page and give the customer a kind of refreshing and quick discourse of why it could be advantageous to pick us for their project. Oh, sorry. Get back. So the goals for the proposal and break down what this discussion was pertaining to. Our audience would be potential customers, both residential and I meant to say commercial on there, but so a couple different levels. Kind of our biggest roadblock is that we're a small, even though we're in a couple different states, we look at ourselves as a local company, compete oftentimes against national firms, so that puts us in a tough position. I think by enhancing our verbiage and kind of the overall message in this first page of the proposal, we could just pronounce ourselves in a little bit better of a light, and in turn potentially get more sales. And I think I could potentially be the candidate to write this because of my background with the company, the experience that I've gained, as well as my education, learning things like this course is providing. So that's it for now. I appreciate you guys listening.